Question number 1. Which Indian poet is famous for Gitanjali? The correct answer is option D. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 2. Which country hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup? The correct answer is option B. Qatar. Question number 3. Where is the famous Jagannath temple located? The correct answer is option B. Puri. Question number 4. Where is the famous Sun temple located in India? The correct answer is option C. Konark. Question number 5. What is the national award for films in India called? The correct answer is option D. National Film Awards. Question number 6. Which Indian state is known for the dance form Satriya? The correct answer is option B. Assam. Question number 7. How many planets are there in the solar system? The correct answer is option C. 8. Question number 8. Which of the following island groups is located in the Arabian Sea? The correct answer is option D. Lakshadweep Island. Question number 9. India shares its boundaries with how many countries? The correct answer is option A. 7. Question number 10. What is the approximate percentage of nitrogen present in Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is option C. 78%. Question number 11. Which is considered the first civilization in India? The correct answer is option A. Indus Valley Civilization. Question number 12. Who was the last victory of British India? The correct answer is option A. Lord Mountbatten. Question number 13. Quit India movement was launched in which year? The correct answer is option D. 1942. Question number 14. Gandhi undertook which march to protest against the salt tax? The correct answer is option B. Dandi March. Question number 15. Lemons and oranges are rich in which vitamin? The correct answer is option C. Vitamin C. Question number 16. Which is the third element in the periodic table? The correct answer is option D. Lithium. Question number 17. Which country is the largest producer of bananas? The correct answer is option B. India. Question number 18. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? The correct answer is option D. Ostrich. Question number 19. Which is the only country to have both lions and tigers? The correct answer is option C. India. Question number 20. What is the main source of energy for the earth? The correct answer is option C. The sun. Question number 21. Who is known as the father of the nation in India? The correct answer is option D. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 22. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1919? The correct answer is option D. Non-cooperation movement. Question number 23. What is the term for the lower house of parliament in India? The correct answer is option C, Lok Sabha. Question number 24. Who is the current Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? The correct answer is option D, Yogi Adityanath. Question number 25. Which mountain range separates India from Nepal? The correct answer is option B, Himalayas. Question number 26. What is the highest award for sports in India? The correct answer is option A, Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Question number 27. Which vegetable should be eaten to improve eyesight? The correct answer is option B, carrot. Question number 28. Who is the founder of the Magadha Empire? The correct answer is option B, Bimbisara. Question number 29. What is the chemical symbol of gold? The correct answer is option A, AU. Question number 30. What is the smallest continent by land area? The correct answer is option C, Australia.